All right, LeVar, it says 0 degrees. So here's what you do, LeVar. You go to 0 on your circle, and you write down the point that's on that 0 degrees. So it's 1 and 0. All right? Everybody good? Your formula that you just copied from Tyler at the bottom of your page says tangents y over x. So everybody knows this is your x coordinate, that's your y. So you write 0 on top, 1 on the bottom, so you answer 0. That's all you do. So number 1, everybody should have got 0. All right, again, that was an easy one. Now the next one's going to get a little harder. Let's do number 2. Tangent of 30 degrees. So LeVar, go on your circle, find 30 degrees, and write down your point. All right, I got it written down. Now, some of you guys can do a lot of this stuff in your head. This is one you're going to have to show some work. I want to see some work on ones like this. Hey, number 1, you can look at it and know y over x. I can understand you writing the answer down on that. I'm good with that. I want to see some work on number 2. All right, so what's the formula? Y over x. So I got to put, remember, it's going to be keep, change, flip. Let me show you. It's going to be 1/2 divided by root 3 over 2. Which one am I going to flip? Good. So I'm going to erase it. I'm going to go ahead and set it up. 1/2 times, flip that one, it's 2 over root 3. All right, what cancels? 2. So my answer is 1 over root 3, right? Okay. But Weston says we can't leave that as our answer. What's he talking about? We can't have a root on the bottom, so we got to fix it. How do we fix it? Whatever's on the bottom, write it on the top and on the bottom, and we're going to times it. And again, we're going to get better at this.
Well, you cross that out 3's, can't you?
That would just get you right back where you started from, though, so you don't want to do that.
Yeah, you're right. You're
right? So do it this way. Multiply across the top, what do we get? Root 3. Guys, here's a shortcut. Yeah, anytime you multiply the bottom, the square roots are just going to cancel and you're going to get 3. Now, I could explain why, but if y'all trust me. So that's it. Root 3 over 3 is our answer. See, because look, JP, if you times it, that's root 9, and root 9 changes into just a 3. So from now on, if it's the same number, just cancel the roots, just put a 3 on the bottom. So the whole deal was we were trying to get the square root off the bottom. We did, so we can stop.
So you're just trying to find the square root of 9, basically.
Yeah. So the top, you just times those 2 and get root 3. Now look, you can leave a square root on the top in your answer. You just can't leave a square root on the bottom in your answer. So that's good. That's a good answer. All right, so that one was a little harder. Now, that's as hard as it gets on this sheet. If you can do that one, that's as hard as it gets. 1's an easy one, 2's a hard one. All right, let's keep going. Let's do number 2. Sorry, we did number 2. Let's go to 3. Now, 3 is going to be a pretty easy one, I think. All right, number 3, tangent of 45. Let me look at 45. All right, it's root 2 over 2, root 2 over 2. All right, so when you do keep, change, flip, look at it. I got y over x, so I flip that one. All right, guys, from right here, you should know what the answer is going to be.
1.
Everything's going to cancel, right? When everything cancels, the answer is 1. So I would not call that a hard one. I would call that an easy. All right, let's go to 4. Tangent of 60 degrees. All right, you guys try it before I try it. I hadn't even looked at it. I want y'all to look at it and try it before I try it. Is this one an easy one or a hard one, Weston? You already done this one? All right, there's my 60 degrees, so it's going to be y over x. I think after we do these enough, y'all should be able to look at it and go ahead and set up your keep, change, flip. And Weston's right, this is going to be an easy one. So I went ahead and set it up, keep, change, flip. Now what makes this easy? 2's cancel, my answer is root 3. Now wait a minute, I thought I couldn't have a square root in my answer.
It can only be on the top.
Yeah, you can't have a square root in the bottom of the fraction, so that's okay. We can leave that one, we're good. So show me at least that much work. That's the minimum work you need to show me on that.
If you just left the 1 underneath of it, would that be?
Sure, that's fine. You can write root 3 over 1.
When you flip the fraction, it's negative on top.
I just always leave it on top.
Leave it on top.
All right, y'all try 5. Now 5 looks like it's going to be pretty easy.
Oh yeah.
Tangent of 90 degrees. All right, where's your point? Right there. 0, 1. All right, I'll bet somebody's going to miss this. All right. I put y on top and 0 on bottom. So, you cannot have 0 on the bottom, ever. If 0's on the bottom, if you had your calculator, JP, it would say error. Can't divide by 0 is what it would tell you.
But if it's on top,
If it's on top, yeah. If it's on top, you answer 0. You can have that. So what's that answer if you can't have 0 on the bottom? No solution. Or you guys might have wrote undefined in Algebra 1, depending on who you had. Somebody last year made up a rhyme for that I can still remember. I don't even know who made it up, but they said, if it's below the line, it's undefined. And that way they never missed it. If 0 is below the line, it's undefined. It's no solution. All right, let's get through 10 and then we'll stop. All right, go to 6. Got 2 pi over 3. So again, if you guys want to speed it up a little bit, just look at 2 pi over 3 and go ahead and just write down the keep, change, flip. That's probably the fastest way. I know my y goes on top. I got to flip the bottom one, flip the x, so that's going to be negative 2 over 1. So that's enough work. If you'll just show me that, that's good. I know you didn't type in your calculator that one. All right, so is this one going to be an easy one? I think so. What's your answer? Yeah, so it's just negative root 3. So yeah, easy one. I was hoping we would have a few more harder problems so we could make sure we know how to get rid of those square roots off the bottom. All right, y'all do 7. 7 looks like an easy one. Tangent of pi. So where's pi? Here's pi right here. I'm going to do y divided by x. What's my answer? Answer 0. Yeah. All right, again, easy one. All right, hopefully 8's harder. Y'all try 8. Good, we need to do some harder ones. I know y'all can do the easy ones. Tangent of 7 pi over 6. So when you set it up, go ahead and do your keep, change, flip. All right, so find 7 pi over 6. It's right here. All right, so keep, change, flip. Which one do I start off with? The formula says it's y over x. So start off with your y, negative 1/2. Which one do I flip? I flip the x. So I got negative 2 over root 3. All right, this is one I want us to practice. See what y'all can do with that. I want the final answer. Get rid of the square root off the bottom and everything. I have no idea. I haven't looked at it. Yes. Negative times a negative is a positive, so it'll cancel. All right, so I know we can do this. I know y'all can cross out the 2's, you can cross out the negative, so I got 1 over root 3. All right, can I leave that as my answer? How do I fix it? All right, now see if y'all can get an answer from there. Yep. Most people make pretty good on this test. This is not hard. So the top's going to be root 3. Remember, the bottom is root 9, which turns into just a 3.
What happens when the roots are on the roof?
Every one we have, Weston, it should be on the sheet. I'm not going to give y'all one that's not. All right, y'all do 9. 9 looks like an easy one. Tangent of 3 pi over 2. Now, some people have trouble finding 3 pi over 2. I don't know why, but it's right here. 3 pi over 2 is right there at 0, negative 1. So it's y over x, so I got negative 1 over 0. What's my answer? No solution or undefined. Yeah, easy one. And again, that one, if you don't show any work, I'm good with that. But the ones you have to keep, change, flip, I want to see it. All right, last one, then we'll go to break. Tangent of 7 pi over 4. Y'all try it. I'm thinking this one might be a little bit hard. It's an easy one. I was hoping it was hard. Find 7 pi over 4. Do keep, change, flip. Where's 7 pi over 4?
No, I know where it's at. But would this be like the X, and this be the Y.
Oh yeah, X always. It's like alphabetical order.
And then this side would be X and Y.
Yeah. Yeah, it's always alphabetical order.
Yeah, I just wanted to like flip sides a little bit.
All right, so we got 7 pi over 4 is here. So I start off with my y, and I flip my x, so to be, yeah, Weston's right, this one's an easy one. From here, guys, y'all don't even have to cross everything out. You can just write -1. I know everything's going to cross out. So if you'll just show me the keep, change, flip step, I'm good. All right, let's go to break.
How many questions is on that test?
The one you got to make up? Like 15, but you got to learn how to do it.